Welcome to AI Awakening, your go-to channel for all things related to the future of artificial intelligence. Here, we dive deep into the latest developments in AI, exploring how key players and countries are shaping its trajectory. In today's video, you'll learn about the top global forces driving AI innovation, the geopolitical impact of their strategies, and what this means for humanity's future. Stay tuned as we uncover the current state of AI and how we can stay in control of this powerful technology. In today's deep dive, we cover one of the hottest topics in AI today, the insane costs of training state-of-the-art models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini Ultra. We'll be breaking down why AI training costs are skyrocketing, what this means for innovation, and how it's shaping the future of AI. We'll explore the reasons behind these huge costs, how smaller companies can compete in such a high-stakes industry, the role of data, compute resources, and environmental impacts, and what the future holds for AI development. The costs of training state-of-the-art AI models have skyrocketed in recent years, reaching levels that could significantly limit access to advanced AI development. The astronomical figures for model training underscore how steep this curve has become. Google's Gemini Ultra reportedly cost $191 million to train, while OpenAI's GPT-4 required an estimated $78 million. For context, back in 2017, the original Transformer model, which introduced the foundational architecture for most modern AI models, cost only around $900 to train. Several elements contribute to the soaring expenses in AI training. As AI models grow larger and more sophisticated, the computational power required to train them has exploded. GPT-4, for example, features hundreds of billions of parameters. Similarly, Gemini Ultra represents an even more resource-intensive leap forward. These models are trained on vast datasets, requiring extensive storage, processing power, and time to compute. AI researchers are also beginning to worry about the potential exhaustion of high-quality training data. Some projections estimate that top-tier language datasets could run out as early as 2024, forcing developers to rely on lower-quality data or synthetically generated data, which might reduce model performance. Running massive models demands high-performance hardware, such as GPUs, graphics processing units, or TPUs, tensor processing units. These infrastructures must be optimized for power efficiency and cooling, and scaling them up for models like Gemini Ultra can lead to exorbitant costs. The shift towards cloud computing for AI training adds another layer of expense. Big tech companies like Google and OpenAI utilize their massive cloud infrastructures, but even with this in-house advantage, costs remain high. Companies without such infrastructure must pay external cloud providers, which can become an overwhelming financial burden. So what is the economic and competitive impact? The sheer scale of financial and compute resource investment means that cutting-edge AI is increasingly centralized within a few tech giants. As of 2023, more than 72% of newly released foundation models were created by industry players, with academia contributing less than 10% of the total. Google alone released over 40 models, outpacing even OpenAI, which developed 20. This shift to corporate dominance in AI research could stifle competition and innovation from smaller players in academia. In addition, the high training costs could slow down progress in AI development, as fewer entities can afford to experiment with state-of-the-art models. Some fear that without solutions to bring down these costs, the innovation in AI will be concentrated among a few tech companies, effectively monopolizing the field. High costs in AI model training raise other concerns beyond financial ones. The environmental impact of training large models is significant, with data centers consuming vast amounts of energy. For instance, training a model like GPT-3 or Gemini Ultra is estimated to generate hundreds of metric tons of CO2 emissions. The AI community is increasingly aware of the need for sustainable AI development practices, which are crucial to mitigating the negative environmental impact of AI. Moreover, ethical considerations surrounding access to AI tools and resources are growing. With fewer organizations capable of investing in cutting-edge models, there is a risk that only a select few will control the most advanced AI systems. This concentration of power could have far-reaching implications for AI's role in society, including its deployment in areas like healthcare, education, and the military. Efforts are underway to address some of these challenges. Researchers are exploring ways to reduce the size of AI models without sacrificing performance. Techniques like model pruning, quantization, and distillation aim to create more efficient models that require less computational power to train and deploy. This could help lower the costs associated with AI development, making it more accessible to smaller players. There has been a notable trend towards open-sourcing AI models. In 2023, around 65.8% of newly released foundation models were open-sourced, up from 44.4% in 2022. This move towards open-source AI could help democratize access to powerful AI tools, reducing the barrier to entry for developers and businesses. One potential solution to the data scarcity problem is the use of synthetic data. AI models can generate their own training data, which could theoretically reduce the reliance on expensive, high-quality datasets. However, there are concerns that models trained predominantly on synthetic data might suffer from reduced diversity and quality in their outputs. Some companies and organizations are exploring the possibility of cloud compute sharing, where smaller entities can leverage underused computational resources from larger companies. This could help bring down the costs of AI training, allowing smaller players to participate in AI development. In conclusion, the rising costs of training advanced AI models like GPT-4 and Gemini Ultra highlight a growing challenge in the AI industry. As the complexity and size of these models continue to increase, so too do the financial and computational resources required to train them. This has resulted in a concentration of AI capabilities within a few well-resourced companies, raising concerns about the accessibility, sustainability, and ethical implications of AI development. However, ongoing efforts to improve model efficiency, promote open-source AI, and explore alternative data strategies offer some hope for democratizing AI. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, it will be crucial for researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to work together to ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all, while mitigating the financial, environmental, and ethical challenges posed by the rising costs of AI training. Thanks so much for tuning in and exploring the world of AI model training costs with me today. I hope this breakdown helped you understand the incredible scale of resources involved in developing AI, like GPT-4 and Gemini Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below on how you think AI costs will shape its future. And remember, stay curious.